Hey everyone, what's going on? This is Subhashish and you are watching the third part of our user management system with the help of Node.js and MySQL. In our previous videos, we have set up the server and the database, and in this video we are going to work on our front end with the help of Bootstrap. So if you are liking this series, then give it a like to this video, and without any further ado, let's get started. Welcome back everyone, and if I show you my VS Code, you can see this much of code we have done in our previous videos, and in this video we are going to create front end for our project. So for that you can go to browser and there you can search for Bootstrap, and then you can click on the first link, then click on docs. This is the documentation page of Bootstrap. So scroll down and you can copy this Bootstrap code where one link is to connect the CSS of Bootstrap, and this is the link to connect JavaScript of Bootstrap. So you just need to copy this particular code, and then you can go to your VS Code, and inside the layouts and main.handlebars you can replace these with our latest code, and here you can type again with 3 pair of curly braces and then body, and save it. And now let's run our project. So npm start, and in the terminal, as you can see, it is showing as our DB is connected. Go to browser and refresh it, and as you can see, our Bootstrap is successfully connected with our project. Let's create the navbar. So for that, scroll down here, and where is the navbar? Yeah, I got it. And here you can find all the Bootstrap navbars. So scroll down below, and here you can copy this code for the navbar and go to your VS Code, and here inside the main.handlebars, and after that you can paste it here. Then just close the terminal and save it, and let's try to see how it is looking. So if I refresh it, a navbar is shown in our web browser. So let's customize it according to our project. So inside the VS Code, here this is the button for navbar. This is a navbar brand. So here you can write user management system, user management system, and after that home. Okay, this is fine, and here we don't need the drop down for our project, so let's remove it and remove the disabled link also. Okay, the search is fine, and this is home, and here we want a particular add user button. So here you can write as add, then user, then save it. Let me check how it is looking. And okay, this is fine. This is quite nice, but I want to give some color to our navbar. So for that, what I can do is, let me check in the Bootstrap what type of variants that are available in the Bootstrap navbars. So where is the colored navbar? Okay, here it is. I just need to write here the class, the navbars class as navbar and bgdark, and I have to give a property as data bs theme as dark. Then it will convert it into the dark navbar. So go to VS Code, and here you can replace this class with the latest one. So save it, and then let's try to refresh it. And as you can see, navbar becomes black, but some of the text are also turn into black. So I just need to make them visible. Okay, so let's undo it, and after that I just need to use uh, this particular database theme, and this class I can remove, and let me check it is properly working or not. So as you can see, this is working. Let's try to change the search color. So where is the search button? And here replace this success with light and save it. And now the search will become white. And after that, let's design our body part. So for that, go to Bootstrap. So now customize this table according to our database properties. So go to VS Code, and here, where is the table? It is at the home.handlebars. Here, let's create table heads. So what are our table heads? First of all, we just need to go to our database so that we can identify what are the fields available in our database. And this is our database, and inside the user, as you can see, we have ID, first name, last name, email, phone, comments, and status. We don't need these comments and status field, we just need these 5 fields. So let's make them. So right here inside the table header, first one is ID, then first name, then last name, then phone, and what else we have? Email. So let's make here for email. So now let's add some manual data. This is our first row. Here we can have it as 1. Okay, this is fine. And more 2 rows, and then delete the other rows and copy the first row 3 times and save it, and go to your browser and refresh it. And as you can see, our manual data is looking good. So let's create our actions. Actions is for to view, edit, or delete our users details. So here we have to create a heading as action. Save it and go to your browser. And as you can see, all our manual data is completed. So go to your Bootstrap, and here we can use this table stripped class so that it looks like first one is white, then some like gray color, then white, then gray. Let's make it here. Inside our table class, we can place it as table stripped. Save it and refresh it. And as you can see, the stripped class is applied in our table. And let's add some margin to our table. So here we can add a class as mx-auto. It will add a margin in the x-axis in the both direction of table. and then we can add some margin to the top. So empty will be 5. Save it and refresh it. Everything is fine, but this table is looking so big. I don't know why. Let's go to our VS Code. Oh, I got it. I have put here h1 tag, that's why it is looking so big. So I just need to remove this h1 tags and save it, and now refresh it, and yeah, this is looking fine, but the margin has not applied here. Okay, let me check it. Okay, MX Auto is there. Let's try to add MX5. Then go to browser and refresh it. And let's add here actions buttons, in which we're gonna perform some actions like edit, delete, and view. So let's make them. So go to your VS Code, and in the last column, here you can make a hyperlink, and you can add a slash, and after that you can add type equal to button, and after that you can add some classes. So the first class will be btn hyphen small, and then btn hyphen success, success. I just forgot to add the button class, so first add button class, then save it. Let's see how it is looking. Refresh it, and here we have a small button, and here we are going to place the Bootstrap icons. So for that, go to the Bootstrap's website and then click on icons, and this is the page for Bootstrap icons. You can install it with the help of npm I bootstrap/icons, but in our project I am going to make it with the CDN links of Bootstrap icons. So first of all, I just need to find these CDN links. So scroll down below to the bottom, and here we have the CDN links. So if you are using this on CSS file, then you can paste, then you can copy this particular code, but I am using it in HBS file or HTML file, so I just need to copy this link and then go to main.handlebars. Then in the bottom of head you can paste it and save it, and now whatever icon that you need, you can copy from this page. So now let's select some of the icons. So our first button is view. For that I want a eye icon. So to use it, I just need to click in this eye icon, and here if you want to download the SVG file of this icon, then you can download from this, and we are going to use this HTML tag to show this icon in our web browser. So you just need to copy this tag and then go to your VS Code, and there is our home.handlebars. Here it is, and paste it here. Save it, and let's see this is working properly or not. Refresh it, and as you can see, our icon is showing here. In this way, I just need to make 2 more buttons. So our first button is for view, second button is for edit, and the third button is for delete. So let's add the icons according to their work. You go back and you can search for edit and click on pencil, copy this code, go to VS Code and replace this tag with our latest tag, and remove the extra /i, save it, and for delete, so where is the delete? Yeah, so now click on this /3, copy the code, and you can paste it here, Control V, and now So now you can change the color of the button. For edit, it will be warning, which is the yellow color, and for delete we will be using the danger class, which will be red. And save it and refresh it, and as you can see, our view, edit and delete icon are shown. So let's remove these extra users fields. We don't need them. We're going to create them dynamically in our next videos. And refresh it, and as you can see, our particular front end part is completed. In our next video, we are going to dynamically get all the users details from our database. And this is all about this video. Like, share and subscribe, and keep coding.